Welcome to our kitchen gadget review. Today, we're diving into the world of food processors and choppers, exploring 5 top-notch products that can make your meal prep faster, easier, and a whole lot more fun. First up, we have the KitchenAid 5-Cup Food Chopper Cordless in Matte Black. This sleek cordless chopper gives you the freedom to prep anywhere in your kitchen. No cords, no hassle, just pure culinary creativity. With a rechargeable battery, you can chop up to 40 onions on a full charge. Need a quick boost? A 10-minute charge gives you enough power to chop up to 11 onions. And with a 5-cup bowl capacity, it's perfect for making anything from salsa to hummus. Plus, it comes with a multi-purpose blade and whisk accessory, both of which store neatly inside the bowl. The Cuisinart Mini-Prep 3-Cup Food Processor. With a 250-watt motor, this compact powerhouse is perfect for quick chopping and grinding. It features auto-reversing SmartPower blades, giving you 2 processing options for precision chopping. Whether you need to grind nuts or chop vegetables, this mini processor gets the job done. The stainless steel blade ensures durability, and the 24-ounce BPA-free work bowl comes with a handle for easy use. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Lightweight and compact, this food processor is easy to store and handle, making it ideal for small kitchens or quick meal preps. Next, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. It boasts a 350-watt motor, offering even more power for chopping, mincing, and pureeing. With its unique stack and press design, there's no need for twist locking. Simply press the lid down to start chopping and release to stop. Super simple! The stainless steel blades handle a variety of ingredients effortlessly. Plus, the built-in oil dispenser makes it easy to create emulsified dressings, dips, and sauces. Back to KitchenAid, but this time it's the KFC 3516 or 3.5-cup food chopper in Empire Red. This model is all about convenience. With a locking blade, handle, and pour spout, it's designed for easy serving and cleaning. The 3.5-cup bowl is perfect for smaller prep tasks, and the 2 speed settings plus pulse function give you control over your chopping from coarse to fine. And don't worry about cleanup, it's all dishwasher safe. Last but not least, we have the Presto 02970 Professional Salad Shooter. If you're into salads, this one's for you. With its 4 interchangeable cones, you can slice, shred, and even ripple cut your vegetables, fruits, and cheese. It's perfect for making quick work of large batches or for finely grating ingredients like nuts and chocolate. The adjustable food guide adapts to different load sizes, and cleanup is a breeze with most parts being dishwasher safe. Whether you're looking for something powerful and versatile like the Cuisinart, or something compact and manual like the Kuhn-Ricken, there's a food processor or chopper here for every kitchen. These gadgets will not only save you time, but also elevate your cooking game. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen tips and reviews. Happy cooking!